Hey guys, so here are my nails right after I've removed my previous gel set. I simply soaked them in 100% acetone, and now I'm going to prepare them for my next set. Here I'm taking this Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover and going around my cuticles. This is going to sit for about 30 seconds and will get rid of the old cuticles I'll be removing with my cuticle clipper. I'm going to take my double-ended cuticle pusher and gently push back my cuticles. It may look like I'm being rough, but I'm being very gentle. This is sped up, so you can't really tell. I'm going to go in with the scoop side and scoop out the remainder of cuticles the remover may have left behind. Once this is done, I'll wash my hands. After that, I'm going to take my cuticle clipper and just trim any extra that wasn't removed in the previous process. This process is super important if you want a clean, salon quality looking manicure. Next, I'm going to take a buffer block and go over my nails, ensuring I have a smooth, clean canvas. I'll rinse my hands once more before starting my manicure. So I use the Gelish system for my gel manicures. It's easy to use and can be combined with other gel polishes. I'm taking the pH bond to prepare my nails for the base coat. Once my nails have absorbed that, I'm going to go in with the Gelish foundation base coat and carefully apply it. I'm going to get as close to the cuticles as I can, starting from the middle, and polish my nails. I'm even pushing the base coat into my nail bed, ensuring that the base coat really adheres to my nails so that there will be no lifting. Then I cure in my UV lamp for 30 seconds. After my base coat is complete, I'll go in with a nail file and establish my shape. My nail beds are pretty wide, so I always opt for a square shape. So now for our color. I'll be using OPI Alpine Snow. Y'all know I love a nice white. I'm going to use the same method for the base coat and get as close to the cuticle as I can with a thin layer of polish. Start in the middle and then polish the sides, making sure I cap or paint the free edges of my nails. This ensures that you'll have a long-lasting manicure. I do 3 coats and cap the free edge twice, so on the first coat and the last. This ensures that my nails won't be too bulky and I'll have my original shape. For my top coat, I'm going to go in with the Gelish Top It Off and take a thin layer following the polish method I did with my previous coats. You want to be as careful as you can with the top coat so that you're not flooding the sidewalls. If you do flood them, just clean it up before you cure it in the lamp. Once it cures, it's stuck and you don't want to have to start all over. Now that my manicure is done, I'm going to go in with a cuticle oil and massage it into my cuticles, fingers, and rest of my hands. There you have it, y'all, an at-home gel manicure that looks like salon quality or even better. Remember to check the description box below for a list of products used so you can try a gel manicure out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.